that I made.
Yeah, I just read her text and say
I'm about to cut a watermelon. Now I want some pick it up. Oh! I think it didn't wash down. Okay, I rinsed it off and they had it up. So, we came straight after. Oh, vamos. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, something new. It's good. I don't know what I'm doing. Baby, they're like a ninja. Ooh. Now, I thought this was a yellow one, but this look orange to me. Yeah, I don't know how to cook no watermelon. So, this is what you know. It's mine anyway. It's not cold, not like my little thing is cold. Okay, so I like my watermelon cold, but I'm gonna go ahead and try it. This is definitely an orange one, and I want the yellow one, but it's good. This is what I really want to try on it. Hold on. This is the lime. Don't talk about me. Let's see. Look. So y'all be doing the Luna. I did this on regular one, but let's see how it's gonna say from this. No, that y'all wondering. Yeah, don't give me a napkin. Okay, and now I'm back cutting. Get that working out. Hold on. Anyway, keep mine. All of it's mine, so. It don't really don't matter, because it's gonna be a. And I'm put it in the refrigerator. So you want. Don't worry about it. Meanwhile, goodness, watermelon. This almost fell off the counter. Almost. Yeah. I was cutting. I let it go. It flew. Stop the tasty. Cause I couldn't lose all it. No. I told you I don't know what I'm doing. The more I realized, this is why I allow my father or my mother to cook. It's so messy. It is messy. I'm just trying to make good or like whatever, but it's me. Man, so this is the result, the aftermath of the watermelon. It's very messy. Highly don't recommend. Couldn't eat yourself. But I will say, go get along. I do have women. But it's not my own limit. But so go give me some miles. I'm gonna use this a little, but not too much. Let's try to be healthy. Anyways. So, yeah. This came from the Watermelon Man and Memphis Apex Cross. It got orange, yellow, and regular red watermelon. I don't know what else he has, but that's what I'm in my family go get. And they are $12 a watermelon. And they are grown. As soon as you get them, they are literally, I got some dirt on my shirt. That's why I washed it off. Because it was dusty. It had a little mud up it. But yeah, don't get this home. I really thought I had the yellow one, but apparently got the orange one. So, it is.
Yeah, she ready spaghetti. She said she ready.